This is how to add audio to your video clips in Shotcut. I'm going to bring down this clip first. It's got audio. And I'm going to detach the audio by right-clicking on the clip and clicking on Detach Audio. And I'm going to delete it because I'm going to bring in my sound effect of the water flowing. And it's going to be kind of loud, so I'm going to have to adjust the volume. And to do that, with your clip selected, go to Filters, hit the plus button, and type in gain until you see gain volume. If you don't see it, go to the audio tab and type it in. Once you're there, just hit the little star right next to it to add it to your favorites list. Now I'm going to lower the volume. That's way too low. I need it a little bit higher. By the way, I'm using the spacebar on the keyboard to play and pause. I think that's perfect. I'm going to add another audio track by right-clicking right here where it says A1 or V1. Track operations, add audio track. And I'm going to bring down the sound effect of the crows. That one is perfect. I don't need to adjust the sound for that clip. I am going to adjust the duration of it. I need to shorten it so it can match the size of the video clip right about there. And if you ever want to mute the sound, hit this little speaker icon, just click on it for mute. And there it is. Now I'm going to add another clip here. This is going to be an image clip. I'm going to stretch it just a bit. And I'm going to get rid of the black bars on the sides by going to Filters, hitting the plus button, going to Size, Position, Rotate. And I'm going to reduce the zoom to 1. Actually, I'm going to increase it from 100 to 120 zoom. Then I'm going to bring down the other sound effects. The first one is going to be of the crickets. I'm going to lower the volume a little bit. Filters plus gain volume. Just a little lower to make it seem like they're far away. That's good, because we're going to add other sounds and we don't want to drown the cricket sounds out. I need to add 2 more audio tracks, but I'm going to use a shortcut. On your keyboard, hold down Control or Command and hit the letter U. One more time. And I'm going to bring down the final 2 sound effect clips. Having trouble matching them up together with the cricket sound, so I'm going to zoom in here, and that will allow me to make minor adjustments like that. Now hit the square right here to zoom to fit. I'm going to lower the volume of the owls, or the owl. Go to gain volume. That's nice right there. Next, I got the final one is the wolf. That one's going to be loud, so I'm going to lower it. I want it to sound like you can barely hear it, like if it's deep in the woods. That's perfect right there. Now I'm going to add a fade out to this clip here, and this one also fade out. On the center one, I'm gonna go to the end of this clip here by hitting this arrow again. Now that the playhead is at the end of that clip, I'm gonna press S on my keyboard to split it, or you can use this button here, split at playhead. That's gonna cut this. I need to cut it one more time here, so I'm gonna select this clip, double click on it. The playhead is lined up. Just pick the bottom clip here and press S on your keyboard to split it. Now this center audio clip is gonna be lowered all the way down, so when you play it back, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna add a fade in to this clip and all of these clips here in the bottom. That's just to make it look nice, and when you play it back, this is what it looks like. And finally, all I have to do is shorten these clips to match the end of the clip here and of the image clip. And there it is. And when you play back the final project, this is what it's going to sound like and look like. So now you know how to add audio to your video clips in Shotcut and do all other cool stuff in your project. So thank you for watching.